Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Please, if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe in the channel. Please, and then your comments is recommended. Okay, I want you to comment in the comment section. As you guys have known me, I keep on dropping fascinating strategies for you guys. Good strategies. That is what I've been dropping for you guys. Good and cool strategies. So please, the best you can do for me is to like and subscribe. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame, and those who have been trading for quite a long time now knows that I always place my trades around somewhere here at night or somewhere here, if depending on how the market is. So you can see this is a long time trade for nights. This is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6 and 7 hours. So an average man sleeps 6 hours a day or 7, and then you have 7 hours of good trade. So you would have made good money. Even with a $50 account, you would have made good money. So for that reason, I want to bring you guys to this. We do account management, VIP signals, trading profit, mentorship also. We'll do all that, and we'll do investment in case you want to invest. But you can check out the account management first and see for yourself. Account management is very important for those who are working, those who wants to learn, at the same time want us to trade for them. Account management is quite skeptical and sweet for you guys. So check the link in the description of this video. You're going to see our WhatsApp link there, or the WhatsApp contacts that will be dropped there. You can message us or give us a call that you want to also offer our services, and we'll offer it to you guys. So let me quickly show you guys our course class where you can come and take any course of your choice. You come and take your choice, you buy your course. You want to do mentorship, you come there, we'll do online class with you. Very fantastic, guys. It's very fantastic. You're not going to miss out. So in a bit I'll be showing you that, and then I will show you guys the free signal group which we offer. A free signal group for you to just join and then make it of our signals, guys. That is how sweet and fantastic it is. So let me quickly show you guys that. So guys, this is a platform here. This is a platform. All you just need to do is type on your browser www.tradingwithderiv.com. It's easy. It's very easy to do. Very easy to do, guys. Very easy. You pick any course of your choice. You can see here. You can pick any course. There are so many courses. All you just do is register, and again you can become a teacher. You just come here, you tap start teaching. For example, I just tapped on it and it's reading. So you can see, become an instructor, and then you're good to go. You're good to go. You come here at this right corner here, you tap on it. You see that there are courses, classes, quiz, and instructor. You can also contact us if you want. Now, classes are for those who want mentorship. We'll teach you on face-to-face. Courses are those who want video that they'll watch later. Quiz are just normal quiz. We asking you questions of what you know about trading. And instructor is for those who wants to teach. Okay, we will screen you through some interview and then you're good to go. You have to know that account management is quite important. It's quite important. You don't have to worry about your funds. Your funds with us are completely safe because we use proper risk management. All you have to worry about is paying us, because you're going to be paying us constantly. Okay, that's what you have to worry about, because who will be the one giving you targets? Who will be the one giving you targets? These are targets for the day. These are targets for the day. So when we give you a target, once we hit our target, we are off for the day. So don't worry about your funds. Risk management to take care of that. All you just have to worry about is paying us constantly. Okay. For those who want a trading robot, you also check the link in the description. You see the WhatsApp contact there. You message for robot. The robot is so fantastic. So let me quickly show you guys the signal group. So guys, this is the signal group here. You can see a lot of money. You can see this is a $49 account which you flip to 301. You can see the trade for yourself. You can see it, and many more. There are so many fantastic things for those lovers of games. We also give out games to our subscribers. You can see this is a video proof of winning. Okay, you can see here, this is the signals that we've been using to rise. And then for those who want investment, you can see these are payout proof for the investment. You can see these are payout proof. You can see it here. You can see it here for yourself. You can see it here. It's very fantastic. You can see this is a deposit of $38 and a profit of 79, making everything $118. Can you ever do this? Can you ever do this? It's fantastic. This is another video proof of our winning. There's another video proof of our winning. You can see we'll show you live how we win. So for those who love football, you can still message us and we will show you what to do. You have to know that these particular ones are VIP games. So that's this. You can see a payment proof. It's approved. You can see it's approved. It's approved. All this approves. You can see it's very fantastic, guys. It's very fantastic. You will enjoy it. So why not start today and start making money? Let's go back to the video, guys. So you guys can see that while we were away, the buy was still forcing itself. This particular strategy does not only work for the boom and crash. Sorry, for the volatility 75, it works for the boom and crash also. So first I'll be starting with the boom and crash to show you guys something. We switch over and we're starting first of all with the 500s. This is the crash 500 there, and this is what the line chart has for us. In a bit there will be a spike, because watching here, although this has not properly reached, this one has reached since. This one will draw back and draw back before it hits that spike. So in a little bit it will happen. and then we'll switch over to first. Let me show you guys something. You have to be cautious of this and this, all these sharp edges. You have to be cautious of them. You have to be cautious of them here. You have to be cautious of them. You can see this video is for educational purposes. Okay, it's completely educational purpose. You wanna make money, you hit us up and you make sweet money with us. So you see, guys, account management is valid. Account management is valid, complete. So let's all see. At the time of recording this video, the market is on its downtrend. You guys know what downtrend is. Watch here and watch here. So it's on its downtrend, and then all we just have to do is just switch over. You can see these lines here. They've not yet touched it yet. They're still moving up a little. Still moving up a little. Those are how you take your trades. Those are how you take your trade. So if you haven't understood, check the link in the description. Message us, guys. We teaching you or explaining some part of the video to you is nothing to us. We'll do it for you guys. Okay, all you just have to do is subscribe and comment in the comment section. So for the 75 is trying to pull a sell, but I think this is a buy. I tried to pull a sell, probably a sell that may get here and then reverse back up. That is trading for you. That is trading for you. So at this point, they've crossed the middle that they call resistance points. This is the middle here. They've crossed it already, so they're not trying to pull any tricks on us. So let me show you guys the settings that I'm using for this video. You know, my strategies are completely free. So the best you should do is patronize us, come for account management, VIP signals, and so on. I don't show the VIP channels, but we make a lot of money on the VIP channels, guys. We make thousands of money on the VIP channel. So guys, come for account management, please. Come for account management. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Come for account management. So the settings I'm using for this video is stochastic oscillator, Oshimoku Kenhayu, and the moving average. So on the parameter, the K period, we have 60. D period is 1. Slowing is 1. Period feed is close/close. You can see it here. Close. Method is exponential. Main is 3 pixels of green. And signals is 3 pixels of red. On the levels, we have 20, 10, 50, 80, and 90. That is it. And then on the Shimoku, we have the Tenkan-sen to be 9, Konjo-sen to be 28, Sheka-span-B to be 52, and the stars will have the Tenkan-sen to be 3 pieces of black, Konjo-sen to be white. You know, all the others, just take it to be 1 pixel of white because we don't want it to be visible. We only need the Tenkan-sen to be visible. You guys haven't been asking me, why do you have to keep your strategies like this? Why do you place these numbers like this? That is why the video is here. So you can as well ask those questions. Why are these numbers here? What do they do? So that you can understand a little bit of every strategy we post. So don't forget, guys, we do account management, VIP signals. Please check the link in the description. Message us, guys, please. Just patronize us for once. So on the moving average, we have the period to be 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, style is 3 pixels of blue. Okay, and guys, you can see what I told you. The sell is retracing back up So guys, thank you, and this is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.